Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at Euro USD on the 4-hour chart. We'll go ahead and map out the current range. So it continues, prices continue to push, back lower. Obviously, we've been in a bullish trend, but earlier this week, it started to retrace back. So let's start to step back in. Now let's change the character. Starting to break structure, fractal structure to the downside, so the swing structure still is bullish. We're in an area of premium. It hasn't taken out the lows of this previous range, so it is, technically reacting to this area of demand, but it does continue to push down. I'm only looking for sales back down into discount, waiting to see sales back down to discount, waiting to see if it reacts to this type of area of demand, or if it continues to push down. We'll just keep an eye out for what's going on with the dollar index to see if prices will continue to push down further than that. But right now, not looking for any type of buying opportunities, even though it is starting to show some bullish momentum right now, currently, at least on the 4-hour chart. No type of break of, if it does break past this high, then we'll consider swing structure and fractal structure bullish. But right now, even though it hasn't broken down past these lows, only looking for any type of selling opportunities back down at a discount until any type of fundamental news changes that. GBP USD. Go to map out the current range, the 4-hour chart. So as I was saying previously, this is the entire range that I'm considering, because there was no real significant pullback into any of these areas. Even though this is the low that broke the last high, it's the previous high of the previous range. Let's put that visually. The last high of the previous range was broken by this. Broken by this low, so technically this would be the current range, but this is already retraced back significantly into this area. Change of character already happened. The structure is already shifting. I'm just going to keep the entire full range, starting from this low back from early April, earlier this month. But what we're looking for, since these is similar to your USD, this low hasn't been taken out yet. So this is a strong higher low, starting to retrace back. Obviously, still a step back in. I am in a sell because of this Tuesday sweep of these highs. I'm waiting to see if buyers do step back in here and push toward the highs, but if not, then I'll be in for a short back down to discount, just like I was looking at for Euro USD. Short back into discount or in type of area of demand, depending on how strong the buyers are, this area of demand or this area of demand. If it does continue to push down lower, then I'll just be looking for shorts after it retraces back. But right now, of course, swing structure will be counter trend trading. Swing structure is still a bullish. Fractal structure starting to be bearish. Looking to see what happens today. Looking to see what happens with the price action tomorrow, today, and any type of news that may affect the price. But if it takes out this high, then yeah, it'll be bullish. But AUD USD. Go ahead and map out the current range. I've been saying with Aussie dollar. It's been in the ascending price action. After this huge impulse of an ascending price action, which there's high probability that price will take out the lows of the liquidity sitting on the lows of the price action, and in correlation with other US dollar pairs, then it would coincide with those. Also, right now it's reacting from the bottom of that channel. Is still extended. Clearly, it's wicking off of that bottom, so good indication that prices will shoot back down, just like with the other dollar pairs, just like Euro USD and GBP USD. But anything can happen, of course, with all the tariff news and anything like that on the dollar. Not looking for any type of buying opportunities right now due to this price action. Obviously looking for the same with Euro USD and GBP USD for any type of retracement back into discount. Looking for any type of bullish momentum shift when it hits any type of area of demand. But I'm not looking for any opportunities on this pair in particular, just Euro or GBP USD. But you can go ahead and try to sell back down to discount once it starts taking out some of these lows. NZD USD, similar chart, of course. We're going to map out the current range at the 4-hour chart, similar to Aussie dollar. Ascending price action in this channel has started to retrace. So it started to step back in. Should expect some of the prices to go ahead and take out the liquidity sitting on the lows and target any type of area into discount, any type of demand area into discount. again, just like what I've done, I'm not looking for any type of buying opportunity, not looking for any sales on this pair in particular. Obviously, these lows are holding, looking like it's trading sideways. Euro and GBP are looking like stronger pairs, but you can also obviously sell back and down at a discount, expecting to take out these lows under the channel, and expect prices to go back down at a discount. Looking for any type of bullish momentum shift. But me personally, not looking for any type of buying opportunities or selling opportunities for this pair, GBP AUD. Go ahead and map out the current range. Here's the 4-hour chart, of course. Continues to trade sideways. It's looking previously, since the liquidity under these lows hasn't been taken out yet, and the sellers stepped back in, but the sellers haven't been able to push back down lower. So this is the current range, and the buyers weren't able to make a new high. So this is the current range, trading sideways, not making any significant higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Just swept this high, swept the highs, and this low swept all the lows. Potentially could be, a whack-off pattern setting up, this being the spring, but buyers haven't stepped back in and pushed prices higher. So still just waiting to see what decision is going to be made on this pair, this cross pair, and also the GBP NZD. But right now, can't see any buying setup or sell setup until it gets out of this area of consolidation. GBP NZD, similar chart, but it has broken down. Let's go to map out the current range. Either way, this is the low that broke this, or this is the high that broke this low. So this is the current range. And as I've been saying, it's been forming a descending wedge. High probability that when buyers do step back in and take out the liquidity sitting over the highs, shall we be looking for any type of selling opportunity once it does go back into premium in any type of area of supply. I don't see any significant area up here. I mean, I guess this is the whole buy before the sell, so I guess any area in premium, we're looking for any type of selling momentum, any type of bearish push or bearish price action that leads to prices going back down. But right now, as I was saying, this is a descending wedge. Obviously, corrective price action, still making lower lows, not making any type of significant high. So it is bearish, swing structure bearish, practical structure bearish. Since the highs haven't been taken out, but still looking, like I said, expecting any type of movement back into higher prices to sweep the liquidity. So not looking for any type of selling opportunity now. It's too low to sell, but it is continuing to take out the low. So be looking to see if any type of significant move, just like with GBP AUD, happens to see presenting the opportunity to either buy or sell. But for now, just waiting to see, because it is still just trading sideways. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.